Introducing GuardianZap, the emergency contact system that gives peace of mind to all of the loved ones who are in need of help around the house. When you are not there at the times, you can buy a GuardianZap sticker and stick it to a spot that is easy for them to reach. With GuardianZap, help is always just a tap away. When an emergency arises, all your loved one has to just tap their phone to the GuardianZap. The user taps their phone on the GuardianZap. Instantly, emergency contact information and alerts pop up on their phone. Within moments, GuardianZap sends an alert to pre-selected contacts, letting them know help is needed, along with real-time details. The family member's phone vibrates, and they see the alert pop up. They smile, relieved to know their loved one is reaching out quickly and easily. GuardianZap ensures that every tap becomes a lifeline, bringing loved ones closer and making sure help is never far away. GuardianZap, because all it takes is just tap to bring help right to your loved one's fingertips. Instant emergency contact with a tap. Call US toll-free to order at 866-543-8496.